Good morning, guys. Day 5 of the COVID-19 lockdown, and today I want to get out to buy some grocery. It's 5 days straight. I went out once to buy grocery. This is my second time, and I didn't have a mask to go to because things are pretty serious. And I figured let's do a DIY mask, and I want to show you what I did to do my DIY mask. So let's do this. Okay, hope you can see this. Okay, so what do I need? So first and foremost, we need something like a band. You could take elastic bands, string, whatever it is. I got a rubber band which I just cut in two. I got this, and I've got this kitchen roll. So I want to fold, just fold in a fan-like shape. Okay, very quickly. Just do a rough one. Okay, you want to get it nice and small. Okay, okay, and what you do is on one corner, just get in here and staple this. Okay, staple again. Okay, and same thing on the other side. Just get there and the same direction. Just staple this. I actually used this to go out. It worked sufficient, and I know this is not N95 or whatever filter mechanism, but in a case of emergency, I guess this will just do. Something is better than nothing. Stupid stapler. Okay, yes, sure. Okay, the tips there, you could tie this up if you want to. I'm gonna tie up just gently because I want to reuse this rubber band because I don't have many rubber band in the house, so just enough. Yep, and again on this side, just enough. Okay, and I'll show you how it looks like when you wear it. Okay, so as you can see, you want to open this up, fan this carefully. This is quite thin. Okay, you got to open up and just like that, put across, open up, and there you go, your emergency DIY mask that you can use in the event you can't find any mask. So hope this is helpful. Till next time, stay driven.